Well, the contestants have been given the contracts to view, study, and to sign. Now, 3 of them have readily signed the contract, and 3 have not. So 3 have shown their commitment to us and to the business. So where do we go from here?
Since Pal, Mona and Citi has decided to put their commitment to this business which they wanted to do, we are also supporting them, and in due course we are going to form the companies for them and to realize their business dreams. Paul wanted to be in training business. It's okay, but only thing missing was the content of the training, which during the discussions he as well as we realized that what we are doing could be a good training material. So he will continue his intended training business with a revised content. A company will be formed for him and he can move on to the business. Miss Mona wanted to do lingerie business. She has some experience in making those, but she don't have the experience of doing it branding. So what we will help her is come up with a brand, come up with a proper marketing for the product she wanted to sell. Similarly, we will form a company for her and she can do the necessary groundwork going back to the Philippines, and she is on in business also. Only for Miss Citi, her business plan was little missing still. So we will give her some more time till she can complete her business plan, and once she is successful, we will form a company for her also.
Well, 3 out of 6. That's a pretty good result, actually. 3 people who are now given a chance to realize their dreams. They'll be given a company to run, they'll be funded, they'll be given equity in the company. Now it's all up to them to make it the success that they believe they can achieve. So, shall we go on then?
Yeah.
Thank you.
We all have passions, we all have dreams, we all have things that we want to fulfill in our life. And I'm a living example of this. I came to this beautiful resort a few weeks ago. I had my own business plans, I had my own structures. I presented it to the mentors and the judges, and listening to the feedback and all the response that I got, I realized I'm actually living the experience of making my first million. So today, I invite you, if you are willing to, come join me, be part of this experience, and regardless of our weaknesses, regardless of our shortcomings, the mentors are all willing to guide us in this journey towards making our $1 million. Now, in the next few weeks, I will be coming to your countries, some of your countries, and invite you personally and share with you this experience. Come listen to these small messages that I may have for you, and once you find them useful, come join us here. Because as you come here, realize one thing, life is short. This is a golden opportunity. The time now is our time to succeed on Goldkist, my first million.
Well, you've seen the show, you have seen the contestants, especially the successful contestants. We are more than just a reality show. We are for real. We want to give you the opportunity to live up your dreams and make your first million. Why don't you make up your minds now and join us at Goldkist, my first million. We are waiting for you, dreamers.